every day goes.
Assalamualaikum and good day to Madam and friends. Today, I would like to present the business overview of Qiraa Sweetery. First, for the introduction to the business, Qiraa Sweetery is a self-simulation food and beverage business. This business was created to help us apply business and cost accounting knowledge in a real situation. Qiraa Sweetery specializes in producing sweet and refreshing drinks, which are orange juice and chocolate milk. The business operates using a home-based kitchen and a small retail counter. This setup allows us to control product quality, maintain hygiene, and interact directly with customers. Next, for the description of the business, Qiraa Sweetery is a small-scale food and beverage business that serves students and the local community. Production is done at a home-based kitchen, while sales are carried out through a retail counter and online platforms such as WhatsApp and social media. This business model helps to reduce operating costs while making it convenient for customers to purchase our products. At the same time, it provides us with practical experience in managing production, marketing, pricing, and customer relationship. Lastly, for the nature of products offered, Qiraa Sweetery offers two main products, which are orange juice and chocolate milk. The orange juice is freshly prepared, served chilled, and packed in sealed cups to ensure cleanliness. The chocolate milk is made using fresh milk and chocolate powder to produce a smooth and consistent taste. Both products are affordable, suitable for takeaway and online delivery, and target mainly at students and the local community. Next, I will pass to the Auni Fakihah.
Qiraa Sweetery operates on a small-scale basis with limited daily production. This is done to make sure every product maintains freshness and good quality control. All daily operations are handled by the business owner together with team members, including the preparation of ingredients, production process, packaging, and order handling. The business also runs a retail counter, which allows direct interaction with customers and helps improve brand visibility. Although Qiraa Sweetery is currently operating on a small scale, the business has strong potential to expand in the future by increasing production capacity, introducing new beverage varieties, and enhancing marketing strategies. Next, I will explain the business identity of Qiraa Sweetery. The business name is Qiraa Sweetery. It is a self-simulation food and beverage business focusing on the production and sale of beverages. The business operates from a home-based kitchen with a retail counter located in Sungai Petani, Kedah, and also serves customers through online platforms. The target market for Qiraa Sweetery includes students and the local community. The business uses the tagline, "Sweet Drinks, Happy Moments," which reflects its aim to bring joy and positive experiences to customers through its drink. Okay, so I will briefly explain our assignment protocol. First, our team conducted a team meeting and business selection. During this stage, we discussed several ideas and agreed on a suitable business that fits the assignment requirements. This step was important to ensure everyone understood their roles and objectives. Next, we moved on to the analysis of business output, which was carried out on 19 January 2026. At this stage, we analyzed the business performance, including its operations and outcomes. The data collected help us understand the strengths and our areas for improvement of the business. Finally, based on the analysis, we prepared the draft assignment report on 20 January 2026. This draft compiles all findings, discussions, and supporting information, which will later be refined into the final report. In conclusion, this structured protocol help our team work systematically and efficiently in completing the assignments.
Next, for the methodology, Qiraa Sweetery uses the job costing method. This method is suitable because our beverages are prepared in batch based on customer demand. Production costs are divided into three categories, which are direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. Direct materials include ingredients and packaging. Direct labor to workers involved in mixing and packing, while overheads include electricity, rent, and supervisor wages. All costs are recorded in a job cost card, and overheads are allocated based on direct labor hours. This method helps the business calculate accurate product cost and set suitable selling price.
For Qiraa Sweetery job cost card of import orange juice, we have direct costs of direct material, direct labor, and direct expense. For direct materials, we have orange, sugar, and cups. Our cups are 300 units. That means we sell around 300 orange juice. Now for direct labor, we use time base. The time base are 20 hours per RM 18. Now for direct expense, we have lab testing fee, that is RM 12. For prime cost, the amount is 1,791. For manufacturing production overhead, we have indirect materials of cleaning supplies. For indirect labor, we have supervisor wage, which are 20 hours multiplied by RM 20. For indirect expense, we have electricity and rent allocation. For rent, we will share the amount together, so we will pay it using the amount of drinks that we will sold. So the amount is RM 1.15 ringgit multiplied by the 300 cups. The amount is 342. For total overhead, we use direct labor hours, which are 40 hours. So our overhead is RM 22.30 cents. The total of manufacturing production cost is 2,683. For non-manufacturing production overhead, we have advertisement, which are RM 16. So for the total cost is 2,743. For the profits, we use markups. So our profit is 40% of cost. The amount is 1,097.20. For selling price, the full amount is 3,842.20. For per cup is around RM 12 ringgit 80 cents.
For this cost card, show the total cost and selling price for Qiraa Sweetery chocolate milk. For direct material, the total cost of ingredients and butter for 400 cups is 818 ringgit. For the direct labor, the total labor cost for mixing and bottling is 800 ringgit. For direct expense, the lab testing fee is 12 ringgit. For the premium cost, which is the sum of direct materials, labor, and expense, is
1,692 ringgit. The manufacturing overhead, the total manufacturing overhead, including indirect materials, labor and expense, is 1,196 ringgit. For the total manufacturing cost is 2,818 ringgit. Non-manufacturing overhead, the marketing cost is 120. For the total overall cost is 3,008 ringgit. For the profit, which 40% make up, the profit is 1,203.20 ringgit. The final selling price per cup is approximately 10.53 ringgit.
To improve cost management and overall business performance, Qiraa Sweetery implement several strategies. For the first one is the business should consider purchasing raw materials such as fruits, sugar, milk, cup, and also bottles in bulk from wholesalers. Bulk purchasing can help reduce the cost per unit and also minimize frequent purchasing expenses. For example, when we bought more of raw materials such as cups and bottles from the seller might give us some discount so that it will attract us to buy more in a larger quantity. To summarize, the finding areas suggest that Qiraa Sweetery costing and pricing strategies are aligned with its business objective that offer high quality but affordable to the customers. By managing production costs and profit margins, the company is able to keep and maintain competitiveness in the market. This may provide a strong foundation for other or future business planning and also achieve long-term vision and becoming trusted